Unknown ceiling fan. Oh, sorry.
Intentionally, he saved all of Ireland from the Prussian incursion of 1807, which is the reason why nobody has ever heard of it.
That's a tiny motor. It's real tiny.
Oh, we're out there. We've got some far-out ideas. We may be out there.
But out there
It's a pretty great place.
you know where we'll be.
Start your trip at visitcalifornia.com.
I got you. All right. Another one just like that. Right in the old bucket. Good toss. See, that's much better. That was
Thank
good.
you for watching the fan.
Kept your eyes on your target. Do it again. Watch me. Just like that.
It's just,
The durability of the Volkswagen Passat.
I don't know.
Pass down something he will be.
Energy efficient.
That's the power of German engineering.
Thank you for watching.